In today's video, I want to talk about large language model powered autonomous agent system, which is a framework that combines large language model with several essential components and enable it to handle lots of complex tasks independently and learn from experience and adapt its behavior. So let me try to break down these components with very specific examples. First, let's talk about planning. The planning aspect involves setting objectives and creating steps to achieve them. So this is where the sub-goal decomposition, chain of thoughts, and self-criticism and the reflection come into play. The sub-goal decomposition is, suppose there is an agent, the main task is to plan a week-long conference. To tackle this, it decomposes the task into a smaller sub-goals like booking venue, scheduling speaker, or organizing accommodation, and creating a meal plan and marketing the event. So just by breaking down the main goal, the agent can handle each part step by step, which ensures that didn't missing any key elements. And the second planning is chain of thought, which is for each sub-goal, the agent consider the logical steps to achieve it. So, for example, in booking a venue, the agent will list out all of the steps, which is researching venue options and then compare prices and then checking availability and then making a reservation. So this is the structural reasoning, or let's say chain of thoughts, which is allow the agent to maintain clarity and prevent any errors due to incomplete thinking. And the third planning is self-critics. That is, if the agent realizes it booked a venue that doesn't meet the capacity needs, then it critiques its decision, which is noting that it's overlooked a critical requirement. So this ability to self-criticize is very crucial in assessing actions and avoiding any similar mistakes. And the last planning is reflection and refinement. So after planning and executing a task, this agent reflects on what went well and what didn't. For example, if these conferences accommodations arrangement will cause logistical issues, so the agent will refine its process for future events. So this reflection stage allows it to learn from past actions and refine its decision making in the future tasks. And then let's talk about memory. The agent's memory system ensures it can learn and recall the relevant information and then distinguish between short-term and long-term memory. So the short-term memory is a key in context learning. Well, the agent retains the recent context or a flow of conversation. For example, if a user asks a sequence of questions about the conference details, then the agent recalls the context of each question to provide consistent and relevant responses without losing track. And the long-term memory is if the agent has organized several events before, it uses a long-term memory system to recall past insights and preferred vendors or event outcomes. So just by storing this information into your external vector store, the agent can pull all the details from prior experience, which enable it to handle a broader range of tasks, which is more efficiently and saving time in reevaluating the options it already encounters, right? And then let's talk about tool use. Well, the large language model has extensive general knowledge, but some information is still outside its scope or constantly changing. So just by using external tools, this agent can bridge this gap. For example, calendar. For scheduling the conference, this agent might use a calendar API to book dates for the venue and organize some speaker slots without double booking or conflict with other events, right? And another example is calculator. This agent can compute precise budget requirements or handle complex calculations on event costs and then leveraging an external calculator API. And another example is code interpreter. So if part of conference involves technological demos, this agent could use a code interpreter to run simulation, check scripts, or analyze data to ensure that everything is prepared for the demonstration. And another example is search for up-to-date information, like finding the current flight schedules or new hotel operations. So this agent have to use the search API to pull the fresh data and fill in the details doesn't inherently know. And the last one is action. After it planning and processing memory, it uses tools, then the agent takes action directly aligned with the task goals. So this might involve like sending emails, filling out booking forms, and updating schedules in real time, which is based on incoming information. For instance, after confirming the conference dates, the agent can automatically draft and send the confirmation emails to speakers and updates and to shared online calendar for team visibility. So in large language model powered autonomous agent system, each of these components interconnects to ensure that the agent can not only process the complex information, but also adapt and optimize its action over time and learning for each completed task for future efficiency and accuracy.